In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Developer tab in Microsoft Excel. The Developer tab gives you access to advanced tools such as form controls, macros, and other features that are useful when working with more powerful Excel functions. By default, this tab is hidden, but turning it on only takes a moment and can greatly expand what you can do in Excel. To begin, open Excel and make sure you are on any worksheet. Once Excel is open, move your cursor to the top left corner of the screen and click File. This opens the main menu where Excel settings and preferences are located. From the File menu, click Options. This will open the Excel Options window, which allows you to customize how Excel looks and behaves. On the left side of this window, click Customize Ribbon. This section controls which tabs appear on the Excel ribbon. On the right side of the Customize Ribbon panel, you will see a list of main tabs. Scroll through this list until you find Developer. By default, the box next to Developer is unchecked, which is why the tab is not visible on the ribbon. Click the checkbox next to Developer to enable it. Once the box is checked, move to the bottom of the Excel Options window and click OK to confirm the change. Excel will immediately apply the setting and close the Options window. After clicking OK, look back at the ribbon at the top of Excel. You should now see the Developer tab displayed alongside the other tabs. This confirms that the Developer tab has been successfully enabled and is ready to use. The Developer tab allows you to work with features like buttons, drop-down controls, and macro tools. These features are especially helpful for automating tasks, creating interactive spreadsheets, or working with advanced Excel projects. If you ever decide that you no longer need the Developer tab, you can follow the same steps and simply uncheck it from the Customize Ribbon settings. Excel makes it easy to turn this feature on or off whenever needed. By enabling the Developer tab, you unlock powerful tools that can make your Excel work more efficient and flexible. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.